Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 VW Polo R-Line. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 113 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 51 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is a reasonable 12, and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 29,000 miles and has been serviced by VW. This particular colour is called the metallic deep black and looks in good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As you look inside, got the nice clean interior. Being the R-Line, you also get the sport seats there with the R logo up there at the centre. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car also has air conditioning as well as the automatic headlights and wipers. You've got the dial just down there on the right hand side. And then finally on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror for window controls. Being the 5-door version, nice and practical, so good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for a small hatchback. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own charging points there in the centre too. And as we open the tailgate on the Polo, you've got a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its lowest point at the moment, but you can increase that if you wish. And below that, you then have a spare wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with the LED daytime running lights, the 16-inch gunmetal alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.